When we were looking for places to start renovating our bathrooms, we interviewed several different places, several different companies. KBF came out and talked us through what the process looked like and how they worked and what some of the options might be. We felt really comfortable. And then when we came in for an initial consultation and talked about what our priorities were, needing to have a shower that's ADA accessible, they really understood. They made our priorities absolutely their priorities. And that was what cinched it for us. When we began our kitchen project with KBF, we were given several different options at several different price points, and they all met all of the needs that we had. And there were some points where we increased the budget, and there were some points where we said, we really don't need that. Let's just cut that. They were very thoughtful about understanding you do not go into something like this without really committing. They wanted to make sure that it was exactly what we needed it to be. The people that come into our home during this process are so wonderful. It is never easy to have people coming in and out, but they make it so much easier because they're so lovely. We are genuinely going to miss them. KBF exceeded our expectations by always being thoughtful and kind. That might not seem like the number one priority when you're looking at a financial investment, but it actually makes a massive difference. One of the things that was really important to us in this design was to incorporate some cabinets that my father had built for my husband and I when we got married in 1999. I can't say that these cabinets look and feel like something that people would pick now, but they work perfectly in the kitchen. They've been incorporated beautifully into our pantry. And now every time I go into that space, I can think about, Dad's here. KBF is special because I think everyone says they care about their customer, and that's great. But I know that they will respond whenever I have a question or concern, that they are friendly and thoughtful, and they have provided us with some of the most unique and interesting things for our spaces that we never would have found without them. They're not tied to just their aesthetic or just their design. They present you with beautiful options. They will completely incorporate anything that you really want into an overall design. This is the kitchen that I can do anything I want to do in it. If you are thinking of working with KBF, I would say you are in great hands. KBF is wonderful. They do great work. And when they need to fix things, they fix them. The thing I've liked the most about the KBF experience, honestly, has been the people. I love the spaces that they've designed with us. And I say with us because we've gotten to be an active part in that. Getting to work with them, getting to know them has really been a joy and a privilege.